3, 2, 1. Let's go!
What did you decide to make as a team? Quesadillas.
Children get about 2/3 of their calories from ultra-processed foods. So what we're trying to do here at Kids Cooking for Life is to teach kids to cook with whole, nutritious foods.
Red is good for your heart. Orange is good for your eyes.
Doing sugar instead of salt when it says to. Putting a single tear into the dish.
We're trying to make nachos and guacamole with like dip, like chips and dip with nachos.
We're gonna crush them like tortillas.
Crush them in the dirt. Look at this. You're like dealing this out like they're cards.
We taught about 950 classes this past year. 950 classes across East Bay, San Francisco, Marin, and through these classes, kids learn progressive skills. But what else do you learn? We call it Kids Cooking for Life, because you're learning life skills that will carry you forward into adulthood.
Only thing is her specialty is breakfast, and then she makes tacos. So, yeah.
I think we might be running a little low on time for meeting, but I think we're doing pretty good.
We need line here and line here. We need line.
Strawberries,
I'm really
honey
impressed.
squirrel.
I wish there were. Alright, this is looking pretty good. This is looking really good. I'm excited about this.
I would spend money buying your food. It was really good.
I love it.
So our dish was loaded nachos with a salad, kind of guacamole. We added strawberries, avocado, onion, tomatoes.
It was a tough decision, and I'm still eating.
Tough decision and still eating. The winner is Team 3.
The cooking challenge was Team 2 won. Turn up for Team 2. Okay, the runners up were Team 3. Let's give them an applause.